Welcome to Science and Health Hub TV, your trusted source for science-backed tips on natural health and wellness. Are you feeling a little less energized in the bedroom? You're not alone. Many people experience a dip in their sex drive due to stress, hormones, or lifestyle factors. But what if nature had a solution? Today, we're talking about Maca root, a powerful Peruvian superfood that's been used for centuries to enhance libido, stamina, and hormonal balance. We'll explore what Maca root is, how it boosts sex drive, the best way to take it daily, how much to use, and who should avoid it. Let's get started. Maca root, also known as Lepidium mayeni, is a cruciferous vegetable native to the high Andes of Peru. Often called Peruvian ginseng, maca has been prized for over 2,000 years for its ability to boost energy, endurance, and sexual health. It's rich in amino acids, minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc, and a range of bioactive plant compounds. Maca doesn't contain hormones, but it acts as an adaptogen, helping your body balance its own hormone levels. Research has shown that maca can increase sexual desire in both men and women. It supports healthy estrogen and testosterone levels, boosts energy and mental clarity, and improves sexual satisfaction. One study found that men who took 1.5 to 3 grams of maca daily for 12 weeks reported a significant increase in libido. Another study in postmenopausal women showed a reduction in sexual dysfunction and improved emotional well-being. There are several ways to take maca root daily. 1. Maca powder. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to smoothies, coffee, oatmeal, yogurt, or protein shakes. It has a nutty, earthy taste that pairs well with chocolate or fruit. 2. Capsules or tablets. An easy and tasteless option, usually dosed at 500 to 1500 milligrams per capsule. 3. Liquid extracts or tinctures. Fast-absorbing and convenient. Mix with water or juice. Start with a low dose, around 1.5 grams per day, and gradually increase to 3 grams. For best results, consider cycling your intake. 5 days on, 2 days off, or 3 weeks on, 1 week off. This helps your body maintain sensitivity to maca's effects. The best time to take maca is in the morning or early afternoon, as it can be energizing. While maca is generally safe, there are a few precautions. Avoid maca if you have thyroid issues, as it contains goitrogens that may interfere with thyroid function. It's also not recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding, and those on hormone-sensitive medications should consult a healthcare provider before using it. Always start with a small dose and observe how your body reacts. To get the most from maca root, choose gelatinized maca if you have a sensitive stomach. Stay consistent. Effects may take 2 to 6 weeks. Combine with good sleep, exercise, and hydration for best results. In summary, maca root is a natural libido booster. It helps balance hormones and increase sexual desire. The ideal dose is 1.5 to 3 grams daily. It can be taken as a powder, capsule, or tincture. Not suitable for everyone, so always check with a professional if unsure. Have you tried maca root? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Science and Health Hub TV, and hit the bell icon for more natural health insights. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay curious.